All right, the next step is to pull a vacuum, right?
That's correct.
So tell us the point of pulling the vacuum.
Pulling the vacuum is going to remove any moisture and air that's in the lines and in the coil underneath the house. You want to pull a good vacuum so any air or moisture that may be in the system, if you leave it in there and it mixes with the oil and refrigerant in the system, it's going to create acid.
Okay, well tell us how long should this run?
Hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, it just depends. I mean, you want to make sure your vacuum is at least down to 500 microns, and it's holding at 500 microns.
Hey George, tell us what happens if somebody cuts a corner here and doesn't pull it all the way down to the 500 microns. What could happen?
Well, if you leave any moisture in the system, it's going to react with the oil and refrigerant that's passing through the system.
What do you mean react?
Well, it's going to create acid, and the acid is going to destroy the compressor.
And it could turn out to be a $2,500 fix,
Yeah.
right?
But once the system gets acid in, it's considered contaminated. And then you got to take steps to clean it up. You got to change the compressor. You're going to have to remove all the refrigerant out of the system. You're going to have to change all the dryers. You're going to have to may have to add an acid neutralizer.
Sounds like a whole lot of work, fellas.
Yeah.
So 5 years from now, this 30 minutes could save a customer from a properly installed unit, could save him thousands of dollars. For just the right guy doing it right for 30 minutes.
Easily saving thousands.
Don't cut the corner. Charge enough to do the right job the first time, right?
That's right.
So do it right the first time. Don't cut corners. Make it right. Make it right and tight.
Yep.